Today I'm sharing what I eat in a day video, which I'll be uploading daily for the next 7 days. I like to start my day with a glass of structured water. 15 minutes later, I have my bulletproof cocoa. It's also my pre-workout drink and helps me to extend my intermittent fasting without raising my glucose levels. I have already shared how to make bulletproof cocoa. Please do check it out. Links will be updated below this video in the description box. For breakfast, I'm having a high protein smoothie. These days I enjoy this particular smoothie as it will help to keep me feel fuller till my next meal. Into my blender, I'm adding in frozen avocado, 1 glass or 1 cup of water, 1 banana. I'm using a local variety of banana which is slightly smaller in size. 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 tablespoon flax seeds, 1 tablespoon raw cacao powder, 2 scoops of vanilla protein powder, and I'm going to blend this. Into my serving glass, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of raw cacao nibs. I'm pouring the thick and creamy smoothie into my serving glass, topping it with some more extra raw cacao nibs. And my super healthy breakfast smoothie is ready to serve. Today I'm having a vegetarian lunch. I prefer to have traditional varieties of rice. I'm using thooyamalli rice today. I also prefer to use cooled rice so that the rice becomes a good source of resistant starch. So this is thooyamalli rice, cucumber and carrot salad. This is a simple sabzi made with the beans and shallots. I have already shared this recipe. Please do check it out. This is beetroot thoran, which is a sabzi made with beetroot and coconut. This is boiled chana. And this is my vegetarian lunch. Along with the lunch, I'm also having 1 custard apple. I'm heating my cast iron kadai with 1 teaspoon wood pressed sesame oil. Sesame oil is also known as gingerly oil or til oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon sesame seeds. Next, I'm adding in 5 to 6 garlic sliced, 7 to 8 or a handful of shallots, and give it a light stir. Into this, I'm adding in 1 broccoli head cut into small florets. Pink Himalayan salt as needed. Give it a good stir. Add in a splash of water. Cover and allow the broccoli to get cooked. It should take about 5 to 6 minutes. 5 to 6 minutes later, open the lid. Give it a good stir. Into this, I'm adding in a splash of coconut aminos, freshly ground black pepper powder as needed, and give it a good stir. Once everything is nicely mixed, I'm turning off the flame, transferring this into a serving bowl. I have 1 soaked Brazil nut. Brazil nut is a good source of selenium. I soaked this Brazil nut for about 7 to 8 hours, and I'm grating the Brazil nut over the broccoli. I have some soaked pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. I'm adding some of the pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds on top. And lastly, a drizzle of vegan mayo. I have already shared how to make vegan mayonnaise. Please do check it out. Links will be updated below this video. And my super healthy broccoli stir fry for dinner is ready to serve. So guys, I'll be back with another what I eat in a day video tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.